Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify Payments and verify business identity step by step clearly. To install Shopify Payments and verify your business identity, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel.
Navigate to the Settings option at the bottom left of the screen. Click on Payments from the Settings menu.
In the Payments section, you will see Shopify Payments listed.
Click on Activate Shopify Payments. Fill in the required information about your business.
This includes your business type, address, and contact information.
Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any issues. Next, enter your banking details for payouts. This includes your bank account number and routing number.
Review the payment options available to you.
Choose the payment methods you want to offer your customers. Once you've selected your preferences, scroll down to complete the setup.
Now, it's time to verify your business identity.
Click on Manage next to Shopify Payments. You may see prompts requiring additional information for verification.
Prepare documents such as your tax ID or business registration documents. Upload the necessary files as prompted.
Make sure the documents are clear and legible.
After submitting your documents, wait for verification confirmation. This process can take a few hours to a couple of days.
Once verified, you will receive a notification from Shopify. Your Shopify payments will now be activated and ready to use.
Make sure to test your payment process to ensure it's working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Shopify Payments and verified your business identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.